We have Dogecoin piece of shit analysis, and my apologies. We have a very serious analysis on the very highly esteemed Dogecoin. Weekly, setting in a higher low right here, breaking back above the 21 and 10 simple, and I do like that for an overall setup. Obviously, anytime that I see higher term time from higher lows, that is going to be of note. We do see hidden bullish evidence on the weekly as well right here, starting to slowly play out, but I wouldn't get too excited about this thing as long as you are below essentially this would be August highs, above about 32 and a quarter on a weekly closure. At that point, I'd really start to look for this one to join the rest of the market. Probably not a good sign for the rest of the market for what it's worth. Probably pissing off a lot of people right here as well, but please understand that we're just simply looking at charts, that's all. Probably looking at a move back up towards 50 cents if that were to happen. Anyways, go down to a daily and see if that is relevant for the shorter term timeframes. Looking at a daily right here, BBWP volatility is starting to expand off the lows. So we're very likely looking at a move, this week again. Daily Jewel is suggesting an upside resolution right here. I mean, I would even say that this one on the short-term time frames has already kind of resolved itself above about a quarter and a half right there. Yes, short-term, back testing that is completely fine. So I would be looking at that as an invalidation for the short-term, meaning that if we start to close dailies below quarter and a half, I would be looking for another run around the lows. Let's call it 20 to 21 cents or so. Until then, short-term sideways and up is the name of the game, it looks like, with short-term targets probably somewhere around 30 cents, and then look for the weekly to take over if it is going to take over. Curious to see what we look like over here as well. Let's see what we got. What is it? What is it going to be? Daily Stokes up as long as above 25 and a half. Okay, so those are pivoted around the same number. Good. What about weekly? Weekly had a fresh cross the upside actually just last night, in fact. Remains the upside as long as above 23.40. So, be aware of the invalidations on something like this. Of course, it's not financial advice, I'm not a financial advisor. And we also do kind of have, a bastardized setting triangle going on right here as well, which would have a technical target. I'm going to guess towards that 50-cent number. So, what do you fucking know? There it is. And of course, above there, then you can start to get excited, or at least I would start to get excited about new ultimate highs. I probably wouldn't get excited at all because I don't trade this thing, nor do I have any ambitions to. But hey, fair enough. Hopefully that was helpful. Here would be, how about this though? We should cover up like what would be phenomenally bearish on this. Daily closure below 20 cents and then send it all the way back down to low teens. I'm talking about 12 to 13 cents before the next like daily bounce. Until then, I would remain optimistic, I suppose. Hopefully that was helpful. And there you go for Doggy Piece of Shit Coin.